What is that familiarity, sir? Somebody is giving a work and I am going to do the work. What is the need of necessity of this subject knowledge? Sir, ஒரு டிகிரி வந்தா போதும் சார். ஒரு இதுக்கு போய் so much of nowadays we are easily writing examination. No examination promotion has given. I am always not much interested in examinations and marks. You should know about what is the subject knowledge. அது என்ன சார் சப்ஜெக்ட் நாலேஜ்? அப்படியே ஜாலியா படிக்கணும். You should know about what is the content of the syllabus. So in that case, சார் இது என்ன சார் நாங்க +2 படிக்கும் போது டெஸ்ட் எழுதலையாம்பாங்க, இங்க ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயர்ல வந்து அது பண்ணலையா, CA எழுதலையா, இன்டர்னல் மார்க், everything has been there and first semester went on with this corona era. Now fourth semester. இது என்ன சார் காலேஜ்ல ஒரு ஜாலி லைஃபே இல்லையா? You may be asking that. This education itself, it become a entertainment or it is a encouragement. That is the learning method. So before starting the class, I want to discuss something about the importance of these online classes. In the regular class, you will be there in the class and teachers will be the other partner with you who is taking class and you will be listening. But in the case of online education, that is this online education, between you and me and you and teacher, other 3 peoples are involved. They must support for us. Then we can execute the classroom in a right way. So who is the other 3 people? The first one is the equipments, laptops or mobile phones or whatever desktop, whatever you are using to listen the classes. The medium. And second one is the service provider. That is internet service provider. That is maybe a Vodafone or Jio or Airtel who are BSNL. The service provider playing an important role in the online classes. And the third one is education communication tools. What is the education communication tool? One is the Word format or Excel or PowerPoint, or the modern communication tools are available. That is, for example, there is a communication tool, that education communication tool is that is called Jamboard, and another one is called Padlet. All these education communication tools are available in the internet websites. I will discuss you in later course of time while you are writing assignments. So apart from you and me in the class, 3 other people has to support the class to execute the class in the right way. The device has to be work properly. The internet service provider has to be up to the maximum level. And the education communication tools must be used for better education knowledge. That is only advice. That is what advised by UGC and AICT. So these all are collaborating and we are doing the online classes. So hopefully I am understanding that you are all very quite silent and you are listening the class very actively. I am thinking like that. So we will. Every day while attending your class, you remember all these people has to support. Then the class will be smooth. Otherwise, some disturbance in the internet, or in some disturbance in the laptop or the mobile phone or the what is this? Headphones. Various problems will arise. We have to cope up and they have to support with us to execute smoothly the classes. So this is the point. This is the advantage of online classes. Then now we are going to the subject that international trade. So what is the international trade as a subject? You may be aware about, you are all studying about the business. So before going into the original subject, you should understand that India in the 1991, in the year of 1991, India entered into the globalization market. That is LPG, liberalization, privatization and globalization. LPG na enna sir, liquid petroleum gas, adu vandu neenga liberalization, privatization, globalization keenga. If anybody having a pen and a paper, I will always give the notes in the PPT format, no problem. But for some other information, if you want to note something, you can note it. So this liberalization, privatization, globalization has provided a highest platform for so many countries, including India, to do a business with other countries with the international trade aspect. You will be asking that, sir, என்ன சார் ஒரு BBA டிகிரி இது போய் இன்டர்நேஷனல் ட்ரேடு அங்க லிபரலைசேஷன் எல்பிஜி இதெல்லாம் என்ன சார் ஏதாவது சிம்பிளா இருக்காதா சார்? It is very, very simple and expected by the common business aspects. If you are doing any business in this world, nowadays companies, and if you are working in any other companies also, the particular managers or the team people who are working expecting this knowledge. That is why this international trade included in this syllabus. So, sir, அப்போ 1991 முன்னாடி என்ன சார்? What is the difference between before 1991? That is international trade or WTO agreement, GATT agreement. What is before that, sir? See, if at all you want to purchase before 1991, anybody want to purchase a car or a bike or a computer or any product which is not manufactured in India and it is manufactured in some other country which is having a high price. Amuda Bharati. Okay. High price. If you want to purchase that product, you have to pay the money in the bank before 6 months itself. Before 6 months. See, if at all you want a computer in the month of June or July, you have to pay the money in the bank by the month of January itself. Full amount. And you have to wait for 6 to 7 months to receive a computer from the company. If somebody want to purchase any one of the car, which may be before 1990, there was a car was there. Maybe you can consider Honda car also. If you want to purchase a Honda car, that is Honda City or any other car, you have to pay the full amount and you have to wait for 6 to 7 months. Even for a bike, it will happen. You have to pay the full amount and they will wait for 6 months, and sometimes the government will check your bank balance. Are you eligible for purchasing this car? Are you eligible for purchasing the bike? Sir, idena sir, நான் பைக் வாங்குறதுக்கு கார் வாங்குறதுக்கு கவர்மெண்ட் ஏன் சார் இதெல்லாம் செக் பண்ணணும்? This question may be arise in your mind, but the government used to check, because if you are purchasing a other country product, what is your quality? Are you able to run with the product? What is the importance of a computer? Why you are purchasing a computer? Why you are purchasing a very sophisticated, luxurious car? See, I am saying that Honda City car, it is considered as a luxurious car. Now think about Hummer car, any other car, which is easily available in any part of the country. So before 1991, without the international trade agreement, without the WTO agreement, Indian citizens, even Ambani or anybody else, cannot purchase anything. Cannot purchase. They can purchase, but the government will analyze their capacity to use the product. Sir, இப்படிலாம் இருந்தா எப்படி சார் இது என்ன சார்? That is what the situation. That is what the situation. Then the Indian government entered into the liberalization, privatization, globalization era. Then they given the liberalization policy, any product from international level can come into India and Indian product can be sold into any other countries. So that is happened because of trade practices. That is why international trade is very, very important. So, சார் இதெல்லாம் என்ன சார், இதெல்லாம் நம்மளுக்கு எங்க சார் யூஸ் ஆக போகுது? சப்போஸ் இஃப் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் ஃபார் எனி ஜாப் இன் சம் ஆஃப் தி கம்பெனிஸ், or you are going to your relative or anybody is having a business who is trading with the international products, you must aware about all the aspect of international trade aspects. அது என்ன சார், என்ன சார் இருக்க போகுது அப்படின்னா, how the international financial transactions are happening, how the who are all the agencies in international level which is using to facilitating the business. இப்போ நீங்க சாதாரண கடைக்கு imagine that if you are having a Paytm or Phone Pay, that is accepted by everybody that receiving the payment. Even Google Pay also. Imagine that you may be, some of you heard about the eBay. There is a payment option. And some of you may not hear about the PayPal. There is a payment option all there. So these are all the modernized, highly sophisticated safety measures provided by the international transactions and trade. Somebody will ask that, did you have a eBay account? Can I pay that? That time you will say, sir, I don't have eBay, but I have Phone Pay. Then he will say that, okay sir, na vaangala sir, avadinu poorva. Then you may be asking that, what is the difference between Phone Pay and eBay? eBay, you may be heard that. Or somebody will ask that some other, what is PayPal, like that they will ask. Did you have that? Sir, I have Paytm. Then they will say that I need, see, sir, idella avalam business panna sir, pannadi podu sir. It is not like that. You should aware about what is the customer's need, what is the customer expectations, what is the modern facilities provided in the international level. That service must be provided in India also. So these are, sir, Google Pay, sir, Google Pay, I will not believe Google Pay. Somebody will say that. Then what you will do? You may not execute the business. That is the time, sir. Enna sir, Phone Pay la vaangadhavan, Google Pay la vaangadhavan, Paytm la vaangadhavan. So many other customers are there. You may miss that customers because of your unawareness of international trade and various activities. So these multinational companies, WTO agreement, everything has been provided in the syllabus for your business felicitation. நீங்க என்ன நினைப்பீங்க சார், இது என்ன சார் ஒரு பிபிஏன்னு வந்து ஒரு இதை கொஞ்சம் 4 கேள்வி எழுதிட்டு போனா போதும்னு நினைச்சா, இதெல்லாம் என்ன சார் அது இது இவ்வளோ பெரிய விஷயமாலாம் சொல்றீங்க? That is what happening now in business. Even in a small business also, people are expecting that, sir, உனக்கு அது தெரியுமா, இது தெரியுமா, அது பண்ணுங்க, இது பண்ணுங்கன்னா, சார் நான் எதுவுமே பண்ணல சார், போங்க சார்ட்டு போயிடுறேன். That is why even now government also having a lot of modern trade agreements, multinational companies involvement, how their behavior, what is their expectations, what is their need, how they will be supporting to the government, how they are supporting to the people. See, imagine that before, after 1991, so many MBA, MCA, BCA, BSc Computer Science, MSc Computer Science, MCA, what is that? So many educations are, these groups are came. How it is came? Because of the computer technology entered into the market in the way of the Wipro, what is that? TCS, Infosys, all the computer companies are expected that engineers and the MCA and other peoples. That is why every college has provided with the MCA degree, BCA, computer science, MSc IT, BSc IT, everything it came. All the students are joined. Every student got a job in IT companies. All are with like somebody is there with Yas B Padani with cooling glass, and in our class somebody is there with the specs and all these things. How the modernized everything has been provided to Indian students and the public because of the international trade. Because of the liberalization policy, so many companies came from various countries and they put their factories in India and Tamil Nadu and wherever various places. So many people got job and so many colleges are. These are all called business development. That is because of international trade. That business is called international trade. So all this is happening because of the international business aspects. So, before that, government, if you want any product, a luxurious product, you have to provide the bank document, credit policy, credit document, balance sheet, everything. Now, even today, now you want to start a business in India, you have to provide all these things. Imagine that for purchasing a car, you have to provide all the documents. What will be the situation that those days? Now it is everything is. If you want to today, suddenly you have money, then you want to purchase a BMW car, any other car, you can go and pay the money and you can come with the cars. So all the modern techniques are provided with the help of international trade. So we should aware about all the international trade aspect, how it is helpful to the Indian business community. And the second aspect of these are all the importance of international trade. The second aspect, sir, இது என்ன சார் ஏதோ கார் என்கிட்ட காரே இல்லை சார் நான் ஏன் சார் இதெல்லாம் see I am saying that why the international trade is very required for a country and individual people. See, now in India in 2000 or in 1991, the basic salary for any Indian, if you are joining a job, they will be providing a salary of 3,000 rupees. Minimum salary for a graduate or even sometimes in postgraduate. Only they will give 3,000 rupees or 4,000 rupees. Imagine basic minimum salary. Now after 25 years later, the minimum salary for any job is now 10 to 15,000. Most of the cases it is only 10 to 12,000. But somebody is getting more salary. Sir, join பண்ணும்போதே 50,000 ரூபாய் சேர்ந்துட்டான் சார். That is different. But the minimum salary is 10,000 or 12,000. Anybody is joining any job. Within from 1995 to 2020, 25 years later, the 4,000 or 3,000 minimum salary has increased to 10 to 12,000. But expect that you are, suppose any of you joining after this BBA degree for a job, minimum you will be expecting that at least 20 to 25,000. For that, it will take another 30 years from here. Why it is happening? Because of the, see, why so many people are going to America? In America, the minimum salary for any individual is 60,000. In China, it may be 15,000. In Singapore, it may be 40,000. In Malaysia, it may be 30,000. That is why so many people are from India and various countries. They are going to America or in Europe, or any one of the country. You may be, if you are going for UK, the minimum salary will be 40,000. Even as you are a student, you may get 25,000 salary working somewhere else. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் என்ன சார், அதெல்லாம் எப்படி சார் நடக்குதுன்னா, இந்தியா the minimum salary from 4,000 to 10,000, 12,000, 30, 25 years taken. Our GDP has to increase. Before 1991, என்ன சார் பயங்கரமா ஏதோ நீங்க போட்டு கதை மாதிரி சொல்லிட்டே போறீங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. It is very important part of the international trade. Before 1991, our Indian GDP is 1.3 trillion. After the computer companies and every modern techniques, international business, everything came. Now India GDP is 2.7 trillion. 1.4 trillion added within 30 years. That is why our minimum salary has increased to particular level. Sir, sir, that is why India also planned for now $5 trillion. 5 trillion போயிடுச்சுன்னா minimum salary 25,000 வந்துரும். When the $5 trillion bill business will come, nobody know, or somebody will know. Another 10 years later, India expected that in 2025 or somewhere else 5 trillion. Then your minimum salary will be 20,000 for anybody. So, if you want to earn more salary, if you want sophisticated products, if you want to high education, you need international trade. இதெல்லாம் இருந்தாதான் பண்ண முடியும். அதுக்கு முன்னாடினா பாத்தீங்கன்னா 3000 ரூபாய் சம்பளம், 4000 ரூபாய் சம்பளம், அப்படியே வருவாரு, சாயங்காலம் ஆனா பீச்சுக்கு போயிடுவாரு, ரிலாக்ஸா வீட்டுக்கு போயிடுவான், போய் டிபன் சாப்பிட்டு தூங்கிடுவான். இப்போ nowadays if people who are working in any of the IT sector or any other sector, people are working for 12 night 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, sometimes 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Why all this are happening? Everybody is purchasing home, car, bike, so many luxurious products, having food in the hotels. All are because of international trade agreements and international business. So, if you know all these things, if you are joining any of the organization for a job, or if you are starting your relative or your parents having a business, you can increase the business to international standard. What is the international standard, sir? And who is helping us? Anybody is helping to do the international standard. Suppose if you are starting a small business in India, the government is helping with the MSME. There is an organization is there. Medium and small enterprises. They will be helping to develop your project or develop your business. Like that, international organizations are helping to do the international trade businesses. All the aspects, foundations, you must aware about that. So, இதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டா you can do wonders while you are doing a business or you are going for any other job. So, international trade oda important இது ஒரு 2 point. One is you can improve your business, you can improve your quality of life. Second one is you can improve your earnings. So, this is 2 important aspects. And because of this GDP and all, the poor people will be eliminated from the system. நிறைய ஏழைகள்லாம் இருக்க மாட்டாங்க, நிறைய பிசினஸ் எல்லாம் பண்ணு, நிறைய இன்டர்நேஷனல் பிசினஸ் இருக்கணும். You should have a high level of transaction and your basic salary will be improved. Then the below poverty line also will be elevated. So no people will be hunger. These are all important aspects. Then sir, but so many disadvantages are there in the liberalization, privatization, globalization. They will be having a different culture. They will be having a different lifestyle. அதெல்லாம் நானும் பண்றேன்மா. That and all these are all included in our syllabus. How you have to behave with the MNCs. What are all the expectations of multinational companies? Now Indian government has announced that make in India, and we want to purchase only Indian indigenous products only. Then who will purchase international products? Then which other country will purchase Indian products? Because nowadays you are all aware about the Amazon, Flipkart and various these multinational companies and these various other service providers are dominating Indian Indian markets. These even you may be heard that there is Delhi, so many agriculture people are waiting for some various corporate farming and all. So all these very big issues, very big issues are tackled by the international trade people. So you should aware about various international trade aspects. Then international trade theories are there. Some of the theories are saying that you maybe heard about in the first year that there is a motivation theory. There will be a theory like that. International trade theory is there. How you have to execute the international business, there is a theory. With the theory's help, you should develop all the business aspects in the international trade level. So again, you may be thinking that, sir, very ordinary for doing a business, so much of pressure are there. Because why this is there? In so many years back, the Indian banks and the only one or two international banks are there in India. Now competition has been already grown. So many multinational banks are there. They will be their credit policy and their service provider, and not only bank. I am saying that various aspects. See, you maybe went for our Canara Bank or HDFC or ICICI or any other bank you are having an account. Anybody visited some of the international banks, how they are operating system? They are also same like that only, but their service thinking may be different from normal service. If you are visiting I don't know whether that Citibank only there in Chennai, Stanley, Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs, all international banks not still started there. If they are provided the service, then all other banks will be cried, because their service techniques and everything is entirely different. So after 25 years or 26 years later also, after the liberalization policy, still we are not familiar with the international trade agreements. If tomorrow you are joining a work and they will be asking to you, go to a port, that some port in the Kamarajar port or any other port, then you will say, sir, any smuggling work? Like that people will ask. Is the port is only doing smuggling work? Or see, that is what the thinking. If somebody is saying port, then something is happening. I don't know about that. Then if somebody asks you to go for a airport, a warehouse, that parcel service, sir, ஐயோ என்ன சார் அங்கெல்லாம் போனா அதெல்லாம் என்ன சார் ஒரே தலைவலி சார் அப்படி. You should not say all these things. Everything has been given in the syllabus. How you have to your awareness level on international trade has to be in high level with the subject. சார் ஏர்போர்ட்டுக்கு போயிட்டு வரியாப்பா அப்படின்னு சொன்னா நாளைக்கு இஃப் யூ ஆர் ஜாயினிங் எனி கம்பெனி, சார் எஸ் சார் ஐ நோ ஐ வில் டூ தி ஒர்க் அப்படின்னு சொல்றேன். சார் ஐயோ சார் என்ன சார் அங்கெல்லாம் போக சொல்றீங்க, அதெல்லாம் எனக்கு கஷ்டம் சார் அங்கெல்லாம். சரி இது வரைக்கும் போயிட்டு வாப்பா. எங்கப்பா அப்ப போவேன்னா பஸ் ஸ்டாண்டுக்கு போவேன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஆர் ஐ நோ ஒன்லி தி கார் சார், கால் டாக்ஸி புக் பண்றது. See, I am not joking. If somebody booking call taxi very fast and he is promoted as a manager in some company, his call taxi booking is a very big business. This is very, very important. Somebody will be with the computer and the mobile phone. He will immediately book cinema ticket. He will immediately book the taxi, call taxi. He will immediately book the flight. Then he will be promoted. Eppa, samaya pandramba. See, I am also having an experience. Some of my friends are working in that area. He will be easily he will book the cinema ticket. Then he is promoted. That is not the actual international trade. you should aware what is immigration, how to get a product from immigration, what is customs duty, what are all the agencies are supported with the international trade. These are all very important. See, I am not joking that this is all happening. And cinema booking and the computer, what is that, train booking, flight booking, immediately, very ரொம்ப அழகராம் பையன் வீட்டுக்கெல்லாம் டிக்கெட் புக் பண்ணி கொடுப்பான்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருப்பான். That is not the objective of our syllabus or BBA. It is something more. So you may be asking that, sir, என்ன சார் அப்போ என்னதான் மொபைல் இதெல்லாம் டிக்கெட் புக் பண்ணி கொடுத்தாதான் சார் ஒரு ரெஸ்பெக்டா இருப்பாங்கன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. What you have to do is, if you are visiting any of the malls in Chennai, that is Phoenix Mall or VR Mall or any other mall, you may be seeing that any one of the Indian company. Consider that it is a what is that, garments. So whenever you are entering any of the mall, is the Bombay dyeing showroom is there, or Bombay dyeing is a very good company, or what is that other Raymond showroom is there in front of the VR Mall. First stall is what is that, Bombay dyeing. The second stall is what is that, Raymond's. All Indian companies are there. Why the multinational companies like what is that? You may be seeing various companies like Mark and Spencer or Jockey or what is that? Van Heusen, Louis Philippe. All these things are Peter England. All Indian company only now is taken by whatever by the Indian business. But Mark and Spencer are different. So I am really wondered that in the VR Mall and all, if you are entering, immediately after you are entering, some 20 number of multinational brands. I am searching where is Raymond. I don't know whether Raymond is there or not, because so many companies are dominated. I am sure that the Bombay dyeing is not there, but I don't know about Raymond's. So why it is happening? This is called international trade. Train ticket book பண்ணி கொடுக்கிறது, flight ticket book பண்ணி கொடுக்கிறது international trade கிடையாது. You should know why these companies are dominating markets. So many companies are there, but even we are not aware about that companies. Some of the companies we may not know about that, but they are provided the business in the various malls. Some of the companies definitely nobody will know. Say, think about the food product. Some of the food products you may be aware about the KFC or Domino's, and sometimes you may be seeing a different ice cream company, different cake companies. So these are all called international trade businesses. They are coming from various countries and doing the business here with the quality of product, and they are getting more revenue and more taxes for Indian government, and they are also receiving more profit for their country because of the high quality service. So this is the difference between internal and international trade. I am saying in this small part of the business. The international trade is a very, very vast one. So many, that is why I mentioned port and airports. See, anybody, if you are asking somebody who are familiar with the port, that is, one of your senior recently I saw that he joined in Indian Maritime University. He is going for training in Adani Port in Chennai. Nobody is aware about Adani having a port in Chennai. It is a private port. He is receiving some of the products. So these are all the high-end products. Anybody visited Kamarajar Port or Adani Port or Chennai Port? So many ports are there. They are receiving, their working condition is entirely different from normal people. They will be aware about various international trade agreements and various activities. So these are all explained in the international trade. So you should hereafter when you are visiting any malls or wherever you are going, see the international companies, various companies, how they are doing the business, what is the this bank management system, what is the service management system. See, earlier you used to have only the hotels of Saravana and all these things, then KFC and Domino's and other food industries came. So now we are enjoying the pizzas and other things. But apart from this, what is that, McDonald's, all these things are there. Sir, இதெல்லாமா சார் இன்டர்நேஷனல் ட்ரேடுன்னு கேட்கக்கூடாது, இதெல்லாம் தான் இன்டர்நேஷனல் ட்ரேட். முன்னாடி before that nobody is having all these facilities. Even I am also 15 years back, I don't know, I never heard about 15 or 20 years back. I don't know what about pizza. That may be a Western food, American food. Then 15-16 years back or 16 years back, 17 years back only Domino's came, all these things came. So this is the international trade in food industry, garment industry, various industry. The public is dominated. See, I want to give another example, another 5 minutes also. See, you may be having any one AC. What is that? The common usage of AC is Onida or any Indian Voltas, and you will be seeing that there is a company called Daikin, that is a Japanese AC. What is the difference between, sir? Voltas also very good company, Daikin also very good company, Hitachi also very good company, and there is a company called Mitsubishi, that is also a Japanese company. Why Onida or any other Voltas, any other ACs are there, but what is about these companies? Why they are providing these services? That is because of the quality of air purification, longest life, and the service maintenance is less. If you are putting a Mitsubishi AC, you can you need not to bother about the quality of air. They will be providing lot of filters. These are all the multinational companies and international trade business supportiveness for the Indian business. So these are all very, very important. Suddenly, I am not worried about that, but Indian government said you have to purchase only Indian product. Then who will purchase the international product? What will happen to all these companies? Are you are going to put only Bombay dyeing clothes? Are you are going to only wear? I think that all your seniors are wearing only the what is that? Very costly that jackets. So these are all because of international trade agreements. So as a BBA person or MBA, if you are going to study MBA, you must aware about all international trade relationship and how it is effective for individual as well as Indian business perspectives. So all these things we are going to learn in the future course of time. So normally every class I will be taking 40 minutes class, 10 minutes for attendance and 10 minutes for any discussion doubts you are having. So 1 hour, that is a class. So this is the introduction for international trade. You have to very thorough with this subject. Second year itself they kept, so you maybe remember for quite a lot of period of time. Apart from this, I have maybe missed some of the aspect. Very particularly in international trade, you must aware what are all the organizations supporting for international business, what are all the banking systems which supporting the international trade, how international companies are behaving with their customers, and what are all their unique selling point, USP normally they will call, And so why all these things we are suppose you are having a very small company or any medium sized company, if you want to promote that product to international level, I cannot ask you question now. What is the Indian product which is very much accepted by in the international level? Anybody having an idea? Any Indian product which is highly accepted by international, other countries are waiting for that product. Which product?
Spices.
Huh?
Spices, sir.
Which one?
Spice, sir. Food items. Spices, no, sir.
Here probably. Okay, that is that may be Indian apples, Indian mangoes. Again, all the products are from the agriculture field only. Indian mangoes are very much accepted by international, and recently Indian IT companies jobs, not IT companies, that Indian techie people's brain has been very much accepted by international level. That's why so much of projects has been given to Indian companies. These are all the international trade agreements. Mangoes, apples, idlis, and techie brains. So these are all the aspects. Sir, நான் ஒரு புதுசா ஒரு ப்ராடக்ட் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கிறேன் சார், இந்த ஆப் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கிறேன் சார், that will be accepted by so much of international. That is also available. Some of the I heard that I don't know about Singari. What is that? Instead of TikTok, Singari app is there. App that is accepted by worldwide. We have taken over the China TikTok app. இதெல்லாம் என்ன சார், சிங்காரிலாம் இன்டர்நேஷனல் ட்ரேட்னா, சிங்காரி தான் இன்டர்நேஷனல் ட்ரேட்ல மெயின் பாயிண்ட். See, I don't know about how many countries are accepted, but for Indians they given the Singari. The international trade relationship depends upon not only receiving the products, you should also able to sell your products to other countries. அதெல்லாம் பண்ணணும். எங்க சார் பண்ண ஏதாவது பண்ணிட்டு இருக்க, மாம்பழம் இதுதான், அதான் மேங்கோ, ஆப்பிள், தென் வாட் இஸ் தட், டெக்கி பிரைன், all these things are, see, the expectation is new innovations has to develop in India, and it has to be accepted in the international level to do the more international trade practices. That will be we are going to learn in the future course of time. Okay, now you can enter your attendance. The attendance link is there in the chat box.